Hello leather workers and leather crafters. Today I'd like to share with you some of my leather working tools. I have the C.S. Osborne wing dividers. They're two different styles. I like both of those actually. There's the 6 inch. I prefer the 6 inch over the 8 inch. C.S. Osborne scratch compass, a sharp point knife. IP Hyde makes those, or C.S. Osborne. They're very durable knives. And I used a lot of the curved blade knives, and I really like that lock jaw knife I recently purchased. My round knives, I have a Weaver and two C.S. Osbornes there, and then a round knife that I made over at the Bit and Spur shop. I made that myself out of a saw blade. A saddler's